here today to talk about what you do to apply for and sit for ACP certification. Well, first thing you do is you visit the ACP website, acp21.org. At that website, you'll see things like test schedules, test criteria, minimum qualifications, proctoring sites, and much more. What do you do first after you look at the basics for the certification? Well, you have to apply for the certification. And that process of application is straightforward. You'll make application and upload that through our website. At that point, we'll send you more information from ACP about what you need to do as next steps as you prepare to sit for the certification. We will take you through a skills assessment, and that skills assessment will show you what we consider to be your strong areas, perhaps your weak areas. If you have some weak areas, we will make some suggestions as to what you can do to fill that gap as you prepare to sit for the certification. The next step is scheduling the test. You have to schedule the date and the proctoring location for the certification, the Building Automation Systems Technician Certification exam. Candidates will then go and show up at the appropriate time in the appropriate place for the proctored Building Automation Systems Technician Certification exam. Again, this is a proctored exam, so you have to be there on time, you have to show identification, and you'll have somebody watching as you take the exam, which is typically 4 hours in length, depending on how fast you respond to the questions. You'll submit the results, and we will analyze the results of the certification. We'll get those results back to you as quickly as possible. Then we'd like you to sign up for the Building Automation Systems Technician Certification listserv. That's assuming you pass the exam, which we hope all of you do at some point. You sign up for the certification listserv and you'll receive updates and information about the certification and how that might be advantageous to you in your career. We can connect you with employment opportunities, etc. So it's a very important step. Now, if you don't pass the certification, don't worry. It's a tough exam and it's designed to be that way. In 3 months, you can take the exam again. We'll make some recommendations again as to what you might want to do for any gaps or any areas of weakness. Then you reschedule and go through the same process and sit for the certification again. Finally, once you are certified, and we hope all of you get certified at some point, you'll want to maintain that certification. There's some specific things you have to do to maintain the certification, including getting continuing education credits and other minor things that we'd like to see our certified technicians do. So those are the steps to getting certified. We encourage all of you who are in the industry to go out and get certified. Again, visit the ACP website at acp21.org, and good luck.